Hello, this is Mike and Siege with P&W Off-Road Adventures.
Hello.
And today we'll be installing a upper door kit for a
22 Pro XP 4-door.
And we'll get going. First of all, we're going to not bore you with taking the roof off. We'll be back to the installation here shortly. We will be taking off the roof just so it's easier and we can show the straps and everything how they work better. The windshield will stay, but we'll loosen it up. So I'll hold this, I'll take this, and we'll put it around the mirror to hold it, and it'll work from the back forward. And these straps go around and through these little plastic deals. There's one. We want to loosely, we don't want to tighten them up too soon. Uh-oh, stuck.
Go from stuck.
Every once in a while I gotta look for my dog. Got one more at top, Siege.
Yeah, just since I'm here.
Yes, Bear. Where'd your hands go?
Just put it to
Oh, there they are. Okay. Shift over the other side. We never figure out where that one goes.
I think this one goes this way because that's the way it's.
Oh yeah.
Not for that one, but this one, it's gotta kind of be. I think there's not enough.
There's not enough, so we just put it on the top and pinch it down with the roof.
Yeah, I'll just kind of tuck it up under here like this, and then pinch that like that. Nice and easy to do. It's good material.
With only one person doing it since I'm holding the camera.
Yeah.
Hold on, see.
Yep.
I'm gonna behind you for a bit.
Okay. And it seems to be that they have enough straps to make a nice good seal on it.
Now I'll come around the other side.
Got one by the windshield, you gotta zip it so you can get to it. Back around and adjust it how you want it. I'll have these adhesive strips that we'll eventually do here.
Yeah, we'll use 70% rubbing alcohol on them. We'll do that now. We won't bore you. The adhesive.
This is where you insert like 20 minutes later.
Yes, 20 minutes later.
There we go.
Okay. Pull that down tight. Sticker there.
Then you can redo your Velcro. And then
I think
had to do the same thing.
I'd say I can get it, you can get it from the outside pretty easy too.
Everybody knows what a pain these are. So that's,
You get the bottom one?
no, I gotta get the top one first.
Oh, no.
And two. I gotta get them both ready.
Okay. That's about lined up with the one down below. Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Now we can shut the window.
I got this one right here.
Gotta shut the window first, I think. Picky, aren't I? Then stop raining outside and the sun comes out. Or we'd be out there. So I'm guessing this one here
I'm gonna
goes right there. We're gonna go right here. Okay. And we already cleaned out the surfaces with 70% isopropyl alcohol. However you say that word. You tell me where.
Yeah. Looks like it's gonna go.
It's going right there now.
It's going right there. Perfect. Yep.
So we'll have to put this one on right here.
Yep.
So woohoo!
Yeah.
Peel away. Okay, so what do you think right there?
Yep.
Okay. Nice and tight.
And one more. You just get it and then you push it back. Right there.
Perfect.
Let that dry for a little bit before we peel it off.
Yeah, we're not gonna do nothing yet. We're gonna put finish to the back.
And this one like probably goes somewhat like that, and then
I would say yeah.
like that.
Bessie Bear, you seen Ricky out there in the field? Oh, now the rain's coming back, baby. What'd you do?
Oh, don't worry about it. It's magic.
Ho, 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 it's magic. You know.
Oh, it's going right there.
It's going right there. That's where it's going, because that's where it's going.
Nice. Yeah, thank you.
At least we have you in the video, the spokesperson.
Yeah. We should have, like, undid all these.
Oh, yes.
It's gonna go. I'll start my end. And
that's where it's gonna have to be, right here. We like it. So now all we gotta do is get these on.
yeah.
We'll put this one on first, Siege. Looks like it'll only touch a little bit on one. Ho, 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 it's magic. These are actually, they're pretty good design here. So just go best we can. Now, good luck getting this one on.
That was easy as one. Oh.
Yeah, it was for me too.
Yes.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. And that's the install for the driver's side. Passenger side is the same thing but opposite.
Yes.
We won't bore you with that side. Now,
So we'll get the other side on and then we'll take
get the other side on, get the roof, take it for a spin and show you how the zippers work, getting in and out. We'll see you guys after a bit. Now there's blue sky over there, but it's raining here, so we're gonna take it for a ride. We got the roof put back on. Now CJ's gonna get in and show how easy it is.
and do the snap.
One-handed zip.
Yeah.
Reach in. It's like magic. And these Velcro, they're sticking real good. Just got to snap that little button.
Yeah.
And that's CJ in the rig. Nice and easy?
That's right. Nice.
Alrighty. Oh yeah, nice and easy. One-handed while I'm filming. Oh hey, I'm in the film!
Hey!
Ow!
I got you.
Rear view mirror.
Yep. Kemimoto rear mirror and side mirrors.
You filming me? One-handed. Snap this first.
It is a lot easier.
Snap. Okay.
Boom.
Now we will go for a test ride in the rain.
You can see how your mirrors, once I adjust them correctly.
Yeah, the mirrors.
Yeah, I'll be able to see.
See out them.
I'll be able to see.
They're just fine. They stick out far enough.
Yes.
We just get her going. I'll just go out here. We'll go down the road. So, we're doing 27. And they're doing pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Everything's holding up real well. We won't be going this fast. We're doing on our trails. Yeah, they're doing real well. The Velcro is really helping everything stay. That little crack there, but That's okay.
It's nice to get air coming through anyway.
Yeah. We'll turn around at the next pull in. I think these are going to be working good because the heater's on. What do you think, Siege?
Oh yeah, it's gonna really improve.
Your winter riding, I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
I just wish they had it for the Turbo S. I'm glad you got this school bus turned around. Here comes the truck. You might as well just pull out in front of him too.
I might as well too.
One-handed zip all the way around. Flopper outside. Yeah, karate. Zipper up.
I'm gonna take two hands to get it back together, but
The snap anyway.
yeah. But easy to use. Nice and dry.
Okay. Oh, you can't see CJ very well. It's so bright out here.
Yes.
You got that one-handed?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Nice, and it lays right there where you want to get out.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, and you can fold it up.
Oh yeah.
There you go, roll it up, and then you can secure it with the straps here.
All four windows do this.
Yep.
As you can see, one person. There you go. It sits just like that.
Perfect.
Yeah, sweetness.
Yeah, I'm gonna really like it.
Do you want that left on till you get it in the trailer?
Yeah, no, it's fine. Cool.
All right.
All right, thanks for watching.
Yep, thanks for watching.